I don't like it. The cops are all over the place.
Forget about the cops. We got everything we need right here.
What about the old lady? If she's alive, she'll be back.
You just don't get it, do you, Dolph? I'm done. I'm done dancing for the man. The Muffin Man. And Granny. They can both take a hike. I'm never gonna answer to anyone. Ever again! I just love my job. You see how it works, Dolph? You prioritize, you set your goals, you write a mission statement. You ask yourself, where do I see me in 5 years?
How about behind bars?
Red! Oh, hi, Red. What are you... You've spoiled the surprise.
You're the bandit.
Surprise!
I'm walking out of here with those recipes.
Really?
Yeah. You're a bad...
Oh, somebody's finally catching up. Did you think I followed you around on your little deliveries because I liked you? Oh, you best be fearing the ear, baby. That all you got? You hit like a girl. Oh. Come on. And kablam! Why don't you go home and cry to your granny? Dolph, tie up the brat. Lisa, hold the book. Vincent, get the truck. And Keith, darn it, change your name, please. That's not scary, and I'm embarrassed to say it. Boris, try that. Keith, you know? Oh, watch out for Keith.
You're crazy.
Maybe so. But I'm top of the woods now, baby. When you're hopping on down the bunny trail, the critters all seem to look down. You're fuzzy and small, your ears are too tall, and goodies make the woods go round. Now I'm not a pig, but you gotta think big when you're competing with a girl in the hood. So you won't be a fan of my evil plan, but I'm gonna be top of the woods. Now the kids will be packed with my Boingo snacks. Construction begins in a day. And all of the bears will be ruled by their hair as I maniacally plot from my evil lair. We've really grown in the past year. Nabbing all the recipes was phase 1. Now phase 2 is adding my own special ingredient to every goodie. A little something I like to call boingonium. It makes my snacks a little more habit-forming. Happy customer! Phase 3 gets a little messy. I'm gonna need a lot of real estate down the mountain, so I've got to blow the competition away. Oh, and that's not a metaphor. We've literally got to blow them away. Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
And now that I have your granny's secrets, I'm afraid you'll be taking the Dynamite Express home. Oh, you won't be disrespecting this bunny no more, cause I'm gonna be top of the woods. Oh yeah, I said I'm gonna be top of the woods. Let's bring it on home. I said I'm gonna be top of the woods. You've been hoodwinked, baby. Oh yeah.
Sweet tea and cookies. We got to do something.
I know. The song was catchy, but the choreography was terrible. Okay, listen. I have an idea, but we need to get past that ski team.
The toughest one is the big fella. Really mean looking with a fat head and a thick skull. Looks like a shaved ape. I mean, he is, ugly. Like a big, swollen, overgrown... He's standing right behind me, isn't he? Mm-hmm.